So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve the problem of minimum cost to fill given weight in a bag, right? तो हम लोग इसे क्या समझते हैं, अगर कहीं क्वेश्चन से समझे, अगर हेडलाइन ऑफ क्वेश्चन से समझे तो क्या बोल रही है कि मिनिमम कॉस्ट, सबसे मिनिमम कॉस्ट क्या हो, क्या हमको वेट, जो मेरा वेट है उस बैग को भरने के लिए, वेट ऑफ बैग को भरने के लिए। चलो समझते हैं क्वेश्चन। व्हाट द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट गिवन अ bag of size W kg and you are provided cost of packets different weights of orange in array cost. Find the minimum total cost to buy exactly k kgs W kg oranges, right? The cost of 1 kg orange is present at index 0 and in general array of I has cost of I plus 1 kg orange. That's fine. Cost I is equal to minus 1 means that I plus 1 kg packets of orange is unavailable. That's also fine. If it is not possible to buy exactly W kg orange, then return minus 1. It may be assumed that there is an infinity supply of all available packet types. Right? So the problem says that. So now I just explain the question. What the question says that. So the question says that just like you are given cost I is equal to, what is cost I is equal to? Cost I is equal to cost of packet having weight I plus 1, weight I plus 1, right? Minus 1 means, the packet is unavailable, that index of package is unavailable. That's also fine. You need to buy exactly W kg orange. You have need to buy W kg orange. You can buy unlimited packets of any available types. Means you have to purchase, like if there is the 10, right, and this is the index of 2, so we can purchase unlimited, which means is equal to W kg, which means there is the 5, so there is a 2, so 2 plus 2, we just have to purchase 2 times of this one, and then we just have to move on the second one. So that's the point says, right? But here we start from the 0 index, so 0 1, so this is the 1 and this is the 2, so but here is the start from the 1 2 3 4 5, we need just 5 there. I just explain whole concept, you are the very easily to understand what I'm saying and what is the question says. Like we have this one, we can do this, yes, we have this one. Now we just have to, the one is weight, correct, and second is cost. Now 1 kg is equal to 20, correct. 2 kg is equal to what is 10, right? 2 kg is equal to 10. Now 3 kg is equal to 4. Now 4 kg is equal to 50. Now 5 kg is equal to 100. This is right. Now need exactly 5 kg. We have just need exactly 5 kg. So there is the multiple options. The first option is this one, 5 kg. So can we return? So that's the 5 kg packet, right, is cost is equal to 100. This one, right? So we have this one, we have this to return the answer, but we just find the minimum one, right? So again we just go down and just check any another options. Yes, what is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right? So 2 kg plus 3 kg, right, is equal to 5 kg. So the cost is, what is 2 kg is 10 plus 3 kg is 4 is equal to 14. So this is the 14. Now I can just go on the another options. That is the second, and the third one is any other options. Yes, what is, we can do like 1 kg and 1 kg and 2 kg and then 3 kg, right? We can do here, let's check, like 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 3 kg, right? Now here the cost is, what is the cost is 1 kg, 20 plus 20 plus 4 is equal to 44. That is also the use. So what is the answer? We have to return the minimum. The answer is return 40, because this is minimum, right? So that's, we just have to return the answer. Now I just, if come here, so we can just found w, so same type. So there is a 2, so minus 1, which means there is the unavailable. So if there is unavailable, then we never to found, and this is the 3, and this is the, that means 3, and this is the 4. 3 and 4 is 7, isn't there? Is not any chance to make the, that means there is no chance to make the 5, right? So for that reason we return the minus 1, right? So now if you can analyze, which means we just have to go from the 1 to end and just have to return. So there is, we can use the recursion. I always to say to you, if we have to get any chances to find, that means explore the multiples of explore in the array, and then we return the minimum and maximum, then we just definitely to try the recursion at least one time, right? Because this is a very short and a very precise answer, like we can have to go at the recursion, then definitely we can, there is any chances to go and just we, our mind is attack something. So in that our mind is attack on the recursion. So come on the recursion. If they just go on the brute force, the brute force is says like, take packet, I can take this packet, right? Solve remaining weight. If I will take this 20, that means for first kg, then how much we have to remain? 4 kg. Now I just go on the 4 kg. Half there is the 4 kg, this is the 4 kg. So there is a chance of minimum this one, yes, that, which means I have the one possible answer. Now I just go and explore the another possible answer. So that's here. So in the brute force, take packet, solve remaining one. In that the problem is like, if I just go on the brute force, then then have to solve this like f weight, right, is equal to mean of, right, mean of cost, right, mean of cost I plus f of weight minus I plus 1. This one very simple, right? Since we repeatedly solve same weight again and again, so there is a time complexity exponential, that is the TLE. Absolutely it will done the TLE, because the same one I have just to go in the repeatedly to check the same index. Okay, so what are the observations? Always in, if I use the recursion, the most of the cases I can use the DP, dynamic programming, for optimize this, right? How can we optimize? You know the optimization techniques, like minimum cost to make exactly kgs. So what we can do? The DP0, the first make the 0, because 0 kg requires 0 cost. Now I just go on the DP, and always to update, like if we just go on the DP, right, DP techniques. So here is weight is equal to I plus 1 and price is equal to cost of I, right? Now here is update, and the update is DP of J is equal to mean of DP of J and DP of J minus weight plus price, right? This is exactly unbounded knapsack, because packet can be used infinitely many times, right? So for that I just use here, I just, if I just explain, like the first one we just have to previously to check and then added this all, and then we just have written the DP of the 5 is equal to, like I just calculate if I just go on the DP, then I just calculate this one, right, from the previously. Whenever I just got the 5 and weight of 5 and the minimum is our this one, so I just return this one, right. I just write the code and then you will understand what I am saying and what is the approach is here, right. Okay, so starting from the here now, what is the best case and what here we can do. The first thing is vector int dp. We can always to pick on dp, and the dp is w is our weight plus 1. Why always to start from 1, and that is the infinity, right. Now here dp 0 is equal to 0. Now int n is equal to cost dot size, right, cost dot size. And now for loop int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to and I plus plus, right. Now if cost of I is equal to minus 1 and continue, right. Now here is int weight is equal to I plus 1, and now the I just in the question says like start from the weight I here. Now what is the price? Int price is equal to cost of I, right. Now here is for int j is equal to weight of j greater than is equal to w and j plus plus, right. And then dp of j is equal to mean of dp of j and dp of the same formula which I have to use here. The same formula I can use here, j minus weight plus price, simple, right. Now just go here and simply nothing to do here. I can just see what is the problem having, like surely, right. The thing is I start from the here, right, the minimum and the vector. There is the one loop start from the cost size, and then this one is fine, and now also this is the fine. Oh sorry, this is under the sorry, this is remove from here and put here. The same thing I just thought what is the problem having there, and then this one is here, not here there, right. Now I just come to here and then simple return here to the dp. I return dp of w is equal to if this one, which means we don't get anything, right. So return minus 1, and if I can get then w cost, we just have to return this. Okay, so what is the problem? Infinite is not declared. Okay, I understand this. So the infinite is simple const is equal to const int infinite is equal to 1 to the power e to the power 9, this one. Now I just try to run it. I compile. So yes, it will compile and run. Try to submit it. So yes, it will submit it. So in that the time complexity and the space complexity is in dp, that means in a brute force that will go in the tle exponentially, but in that dp the time complexity is order of n into w, n and that is the w, right. So time complexity is order of n into w, and the space is this one, so w, right. So that's here. So I hope you will definitely understand. If you have any query and if you need and in your mind there is any other approach, so please comment it out, and I try to just understand your concept and try to take more different approaches for you. So thank you so much guys.